Congratulations to all those first semester nursing students. Bella Day to you. I feel these are some important do's and don'ts for first semester nursing school, so if you're interested, keep watching. Do number 1, get a planner. Don't wait until the last minute. There's a lot of things you need to plan. There are a lot of dates to remember. For instance, there are due dates for medical forms that you need to turn in. There are test dates, quiz dates, form dates, lunch dates, study dates, assignment dates. The list goes on. And you need to keep track of your various reading assignments so that you don't fall behind. So you need to learn to manage and utilize time well. That's what your planner's for. The second do for semester 1, find an effective study group. Try to find a study group where you know everyone thrives. You don't want to be the smartest person at the table, because if that's the case, then you're not learning from the next person. You want to be able to bounce ideas off of each other. And you don't want to be the only one that's giving all the answers. So make sure everyone in your group is harmonious. You will find this very beneficial when it comes to test time and finals. You'll feel super comfortable and know that everyone in the groups hopes that you get a good grade. If you're enjoying this content, please subscribe and comment below. What else would you like to know? Do number 3 for semester 1. Make sure to take self-care time. You can begin to feel so overwhelmed and stressed. You're always on the go, 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 so you have to learn how to sit down and take some me time. So add it to your planner. Time to sit and watch a movie, take a bubble bath, something that's just for you. I would highly recommend that you schedule a little time once a week. If you liked the do's for semester 1, give us a thumbs up. Now it's time for the don'ts. Don't number 1, do not compare yourself with others. This journey is very special and it's your journey. Don't compare your journey to others. I noticed a lot during semester 1, many students want to compare grades. Some announce their grades and make you feel like this is a big competition, but it's not. Once again, this is your journey and your journey is unique to you. So if you don't think that you need to share your grades with everyone, then don't. Don't number 2, don't study to remember, study to make it make sense. What I mean is, know why and understand why something is happening. So if a patient's fingertips are turning blue, ask yourself, what is happening inside the patient's body that's causing their fingertips to be blue? Yes, you have to know that blue fingertips represent cyanosis. But to get the best grades, you need to know why and what is causing the cyanosis. You will see that when you have your nursing tests aren't all about definitions. The majority of the questions are about scenarios, and you need to know what to do next. So when you study, you need to know why something is happening. So that's it. Do's and don'ts for semester 1 of nursing school. I hope this content was helpful. If so, please like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, see you real soon.